Today we will discuss some more examples on regular policy method. Compute the real root of x log x to the base 10 minus 1.2 is equal to 0. Correct to 4 decimal places. We know that what is the meaning of 4 decimal places. Solution. Given equation is x log x to the base 10 minus 1.2 which is equal to 0. It can be written as f of x is equal to x log x to the base 10 minus 1.2. We know that first we have to find the value of interval, that is the value of a and b. To find the value of a and b, substitute the values of x. First go through the lower values. Substitute x is equal to 0, we will get the minus 1.2. When we substitute x is equal to 1, we get x is 1, log x to the base 10 is log 1 to the base 10 value is 0, x 1 into 0 is again 0, minus 1.2, remaining is only minus 1.2, f of 1 is equal to minus 1.2, and substitute in place of x 2, we will get f of 2 is equal to minus 0.6, and f of 3 is equal to plus 0.23. We know that f of a value is less than 0 and f of b value is greater than 0. See here, f of 2 is equal to minus 0.6 which is less than 0. F of 3 is equal to 0.23 which is greater than 0. Therefore, this is the value of a. A is 2 and b is 3, and this is the value of f of a and this is the value of f of b. Next, see which value is nearer in a number line, which value is nearer to the 0. The real root lies in 2, 3 because our a value is 2, b value is 3. Therefore, our real root lies in between 2 and 3. And from the value of f of x at x is equal to 2.2, 3, we accept the root in the neighborhood of 3. Why? Our real root is actually lies between 2 and 3, and also f of 3 is equal to 0.23. See here in a number line, if this is a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, f of 3 value is 0.23 and f of 2 value is minus 0.6, f of 0.23, it is somewhere here 0.23, and f of 2 value is minus 0.6, minus 0. In between it is minus 0.5, after that minus 0.6. See here, as compared to minus 0.6, 0.23 is near to 0. 0.23 is near to 0 as compared to minus 0.6. Therefore, our real root is the neighborhood of the 3. And let us find the a, b for applying the method such that b minus a is very small enough or very small. F of 2.7 which is equal to, substitute x is equal to 2.7, we get minus 0.0353, and f of 2.8 is equal to plus 0.052. f of a value is negative, f of b value is positive. Therefore, this is the value of f of a and this is the value of f of b, and a value is 2.7, b value is 2.8. Here our a value is 2 and b value is 3, and real root lies between 2 and 3. After that, see that which value is nearer in the number line, which value is nearer to 0, and find again the value of a and b. To find that, substitute here 2, 3 means go through the next 2. After 2 we will get 2.1. Substitute in place of x, substitute 2.1, we will get the negative value, and 2.2 we will get the negative value, 2.3 again we will get the negative value up to the 2.7. Up to the 2.7 we will get the all values are negative. After that 2.8 is positive. We know that two continuous numbers should be, or two consecutive values are a and b here. A and B are two consecutive values, and that value is, first one f of A value is less than 0 and f of B value is greater than 0. See, less than 0 means it is negative, minus 0.0353 and 2 point for x is equal to 2.8, 0.052. Therefore, here value of A is 2.7, value of B is 2.8. Next, go through the steps here. First step or first iteration, both are same. We know that A value is 2.7 and f of A value is minus 0.0353 and B value is 2.8. F of B value, it is f of B is equal to plus 0.052. We know that what is the formula to find the first iteration or first value here, which is denoted by x1 is equal to A into f of B minus B into f of A divided by f of B minus f of A. Then this is equation 1. Substitute the values, value of A, value of f of B minus B value, f of A value, and here f of B value minus f of A value, we get x1 is equal to 2.7404. Here we have to consider at least 4 numbers after the decimal point. Next iteration, f of 7404 is equal to minus 0.0021, which is less than 0. Substitute x1 value in the given equation and find what is the value of f of 2.7404. We get minus 0.00021, which is less than 0. We know that negative value is value of f of A, therefore it will be value of f of A, and A value is 2.7404. Therefore the real root lies in 2.7404, 2.8. Then now A is equal to, value of A will be changed here, 2.7404, and f of A value is this one. B value is fixed here as same as the previous iteration. Substituting these values in this equation and find what is the value of x2 here. We get x2 is equal to 2.7406. X1 value is 2.7404 and x2 value is 2.7406. See, these two values are not same up to 4 decimal places. Here it is 2.7404 and here it is 2.7406. Therefore, go to the next iteration, third iteration, same. Find what is the value of f of x2. Here x2 value is 2.7406. Therefore, f of 2.7406 is equal to minus 0.00004, which is less than 0. We know that f of A value is less than 0 and this will be value of f of A. A value is 2.7406 and f of A value is minus 0.004, which is less than 0. Therefore, the real root lies in 2.7406, 2.8. B value is fixed here. Now A value will be 2.7406 and f of A is equal to minus 0.00004. B is equal to 2.8. F of B is equal to 0.052. Again substitute these values in the formula, which is equation 1. We will get x3 value is equal to 2.740646. See, up to 4 decimal places x2 and x3 values are same. Up to 4 decimal places means up to this one 2.7406, x2 value is 2.7406. Therefore, our required root is 2.7406. Thus, the required approximate root correct to 4 decimal places is 2.7406.